If you're encountering a plugin error on OpenCart 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check plugin compatibility. Ensure that the plugin you are using is compatible with OpenCart 2026. Visit the plugin's official page or documentation to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Update OpenCart and plugins. Make sure that your OpenCart installation and all plugins are updated to their latest versions. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve errors. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the admin panel and clear the cache. Go to Dashboard Extensions Modifications and click on the Refresh button. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated cache data. Step 4. Disable conflicting plugins. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Review error logs. Check the error logs for specific messages related to the plugin error. Go to System Maintenance error logs to find detailed information that can help you pinpoint the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the plugin error on OpenCart 2026 efficiently. If issues persist, consider seeking help from the OpenCart community or support forums.